Ever wondered how a simple change can redefine the aesthetics and functionality of your kitchen? Well, the secret might just lie in the splashback you choose. In the world of kitchen design, splashbacks play an integral role in enhancing the overall appearance while providing a practical solution for easy cleaning and maintenance. Two of the most popular choices are glass and mirror splashbacks, each offering a unique set of qualities and benefits. Glass splashbacks, with their sleek and modern look, can effortlessly transform a kitchen into a contemporary masterpiece. They come in an array of colors, from the vibrant hues of red and blue to the more subtle tones of gray and white. The high-gloss finish of glass splashbacks not only adds a touch of elegance, but also reflects light, making the kitchen seem more spacious and brighter. On the other hand, mirror splashbacks, with their reflective surfaces, create an illusion of depth and space, especially beneficial for compact kitchens. They come in a variety of finishes, including polished, smoked, or antique, each adding a unique charm to the kitchen. The polished finish gives a clean, modern look, while the smoked and antique finishes add a bit of character and vintage appeal. But aesthetics aside, both glass and mirror splashbacks score high on functionality. They are heat-resistant, durable, and incredibly easy to clean, making them a practical choice for busy kitchens. Choosing the right splashback, however, depends on the style and layout of your kitchen. For a modern kitchen, a vibrant glass splashback could be the perfect statement piece. For a classic or vintage-style kitchen, an antique mirror splashback could add a touch of timeless elegance. From homeowners who have transformed their kitchens, the satisfaction is evident. The before and after images speak volumes about how a splashback can change the entire look and feel of a kitchen. Opt for glass or mirror splashbacks to boost function and style in your kitchen. Remember, a splashback isn't just decor, but a statement piece. Choose wisely, let your kitchen reflect you.